Today, I'm talking about how to use social media for drop-by visits. My name is Nick Bonatadabis, and this is Digital Champions, the show about helping you master the digital marketing world. As you may know, a huge part about getting referrals and going to referral sources is through drop-by visits. But one of the things is you can't just keep going in there and asking for referrals. And in today's world, it's even more difficult with COVID and the last year and how difficult things have been, and even being able to get into those referral sources at all. And the restrictions are going to be a lot tighter just going forward in general to keep the seniors safe and seeing that what can happen if something were like the pandemic to happen again. And so it becomes that much more important to be leveraging online in what we're doing. So how can we use social media to establish drop-by visits and have things to do? Well, here's a simple example. Let's say that you meet Bob. And Bob, he likes going to Eagles games. Go Birds. All right. And at those games, he loves to go to tailgates and barbecue, makes this amazing rack of ribs for every tailgate, all right? So now you know that he's an Eagles fan and likes ribs. And see, we're learning things about Bob from previous videos. I talked about connecting with your referral sources on social media so that you can learn more personal things about them, like things like this, sports teams that they like, things that they like to do on the weekends, so that you could, as a drop-by visit, one, you could give an article that is specific to the Eagles or rib recipes and dry rubs. The other option could be giving a seasoning. So now he's gonna be like, oh wow, look at that. That's so awesome, because now it's super personal to the things that they actually enjoy and like. And so if you're doing drop-by visits and it's the same as every single person, it's gonna have a less effect. Now, keep this in mind, obviously your time is valuable, and so you can only do this with so many people, but I know you may be thinking already that there's certain referral sources and certain contacts that you really wanna impress, that you really wanna attract. So you wanna do something a little different. You wanna do something that's gonna make you stand out. You wanna do something that's gonna impress them. If you do something and pay attention to what they say, whether it be in person or online, it could be family members that they have and interests that come with that. All of these things, this is just one example of utilizing the knowledge that you get from building relationships with referral sources online, that you get to actually know them and things that they like, so that you can then tailor your marketing specific towards them and create a greater impact, and they'll be more likely to refer you. But also at the same time, the goal is to continue to strengthen the relationships. And the more that you can find things, for example, I like the Eagles and I like barbecuing, so those are two things that we would get along. So if you can find a mutual connection, maybe it's something like Star Wars, love Star Wars. So cool. So if you like Star Wars and then you're finding out that they like Star Wars also because they were talking about the new movie, now you could give something that's Star Wars related, but it's something that's mutual that you both share. And that's gonna be even more powerful. So even if it's something maybe you're not super interested in, but if you can find something that you're both interested in, that's gonna help you to create those connections, create those bonds, and the more interests that you have that are similar, the more that you're gonna be able to connect and build those relationships and have that thing to talk about that's that mutual thing that you both love. So I hope this helps when it comes to drop-by visits, and obviously based on where you are and what referral sources, you can't always give gifts for, or of a certain value. Every referral source is different. So make sure that you know what you can and cannot give. But again, the more personal that you can be, the better results that you're going to have. And so if you like this video and you think this is helpful, I'm gonna be doing a full workshop on leveraging social media so that you can stand out online on June 28th. All you gotta do is go to thedigitalchamps.com/workshop and sign up today. I'll see you there.